In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook cover in Canva. To get started, open Canva and click on Create a Design. This is where you begin any new project in Canva, and it gives you access to the exact size and format you need for different platforms. Once the design menu opens, use the search bar to look for Facebook cover, then select it from the results. Choosing the correct format right away is important because it gives you the proper dimensions for a Facebook cover, which helps your design display more cleanly on your profile or page. After that, you can decide whether you want to use a ready-made template or start with a blank design. If you want something quick and polished, a template is a great option because it already has a layout, style, and visual balance in place. You can browse through the available designs and pick one that matches the look or message you want. If you prefer full creative control, starting from a blank canvas gives you the freedom to build everything yourself from scratch. Once you've chosen your starting point, begin customizing the design with your own text, images, colors, and branding. This is the part where your cover becomes unique to you or your business. You can update the wording to reflect your name, tagline, offer, or message. You can also add photos, graphics, or other visual elements that support the overall look. If you already use brand colors or a specific visual style, try to keep those elements consistent so your Facebook cover feels professional and recognizable. As you make changes, keep the layout clean and easy to read, especially since Facebook covers are often viewed quickly and on different screen sizes. When you're happy with the final design, click Download. Choose the file format you want, then save the cover to your device. After that, go to your Facebook profile or page and upload the image as your new cover. Once it's live, take a moment to preview it and make sure everything appears properly positioned and readable. That's it. By following this process, you can create a Facebook cover that looks polished, fits correctly, and represents your brand or personality clearly.